Do you want to spend less time writing SQL queries and more time developing your application? If so, I'm here to introduce the Pikaview resource on the Ignition Exchange. This resource provides an object-relation mapping, or ORM for short, integrated with perspective that can be used to easily create configurations so that end users can perform basic CRUD operations on the underlying SQL objects. This allows users to create any number of configurations for their SQL objects. This resource creates application database independence across perspective projects, standardizing data access, which ultimately saves development time by reducing the amount of application-specific SQL queries. With this resource, creating a new object configuration is easy. All you need to do to start is select a database connection, schema, and a SQL table or view. From there, backend users can control how the data is displayed and what data is accessible to the end user. Pikaview configurations can control column display order, display name, and even add data validation rules, just to name a few. Once the object is configured, all you need to do is press save and your object configuration is ready to be accessed. Once a configuration has been created, users have the ability to edit, delete, copy, or view the configuration object's data. Let's take a look at this configuration's data. When viewing the configuration object, by default there are several options available. Users can add rows, edit rows, delete, or just view a row. Don't see your data on screen? You can search for it. Users can do a simple text search for the information they want, or do a more advanced search to narrow down the results even further. For more information on this resource, check out the documentation and begin using this to simplify your database needs by downloading today from the Ignition Exchange.